In this video, I will show you how to order original Meta AI glasses direct from Meta store without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Facebook account. First thing first, open up your Facebook app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this three slider. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on account center. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on AI glasses. And here we go. Scroll down right here and review different kind of AI glasses available in the store. The more you scroll down, the more you see different available AI glasses, just like so. You have different kind of AI Meta glasses right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available, and then you can read the details about the delivery. Delivery take about 2 days before you get your glasses when you place order. Then free 30 days return, and at the same time right here you have worry-free warranty. Then there is an available for buy now and pay later, as the case may be, which attract about 19.99 USD per month for installment. Then you can scroll down right here and check out some of the latest AI glasses from Meta. For you to shop for any type of your AI glasses right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and select the glasses you want. Then for instance, I want to simply come to the top right here, click on shop right here. Then here you go, shop AI glasses. Discover AI glasses that blend cutting edge technology with icon style. You have different kind of products available in the lineup right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available products right here. If you find anyone interested that you want to buy, then you can go ahead and click on the product. Like for instance, this particular one right here, if you are interested in it, go ahead and click on the product link. There's going to load up to this particular page. You can slide and check the product picture as the case may be. And this is how the package is going to look like right here. Then you can simply go down, scroll down right here and see different variety frames and lens. Slide this way and see different. If you want to customize, go ahead and click on this icon, which allows you to customize based on your taste. You can scroll down right here and check on the details about the products right here. You have free delivery, free return, and warranty, which is also guaranteed. You can scroll down right here and then scroll down right here and then you see explore features. It has camera, a speaker, the Meta, and touchpad. You can explore each of the features as the case may be. Snap photos and video in higher resolution without taking out your phone. That is for the glass. Then next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on add to bag. Just like so. Now from the checkout right here, You can as well read the details about the product before you go ahead and make a payment. However, if you want to remove, simply click on here to remove the product, as the case may be. Then delivery estimated Monday, June 2022. This is based on the time I'm making this video right here. Then you can scroll down right here, add Meta Warranty Plus for just 54.99 USD, and that's cover up to 2 years. So you can add if you would like, but if you had it in this case, it's going to be added to your checkout right here. So this is the real price for this particular glass right here. Then simply scroll down right here and choose your means of payment. You can either pay in full, or better still, you can pay instrumentally. The next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. You get the product within 2 to 3 business days, and then you have return for 30 days and 1 year warranty limited protection against manufacturing defects. Then just like so. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and proceed to checkout. Alright, so from the checkout right here, check on the order summary. You are paying the sum of this to order this, and you have different options for payment. You can as well use Google Pay at checkout, or shop, as the case may be. Then you can scroll down right here. Then if you would like to pick up the glasses by yourself, simply choose pick up right here, or better still, leave it in ship. The next thing you want to do is to fill in your shipping address right here. Go ahead and select your country right here. And then if you are located in United States by default, or better still, if you're located in Canada, go ahead and choose your country right here. Once you select your country, fill in your last name right here, fill in your first name right here, your last name right here, and your address, line 1 and then line 2 option for the people that have a very long address. Enter the city, and then scroll down right here, choose your province, postal code, and your phone number, as the case may be. Then once you fill up everything, simply scroll down right here and fill up your card number, expire date, CCVV, security code at the back of the card, and the name on the card, as the case may be. Then come down below right here, and then simply click on place order, or better still, you can make use of PayPal or ShopPay to make your payment, as the case may be. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.